what I'm about to show you guys is the different types of charts that are used by traders, and I'm opening now the Trading View website that has a lot of charting options for technical analysis and more types of charts. So starting with the candlestick bars, as you can see, that's the candlestick chart. Moving to the bars, as you can see in this chart, there is the opening, the close. When it's green, the open is below and the close is up, and when it's red, the open is here, is above, and the close in below. So there is the hollow candles, there is the Fibonacci, the line chart, the error chart, the baseline, Wrinkle, line break, Kaji, and point and figure, and range. I'm gonna check them one by one. So we're going to check the hollow candles. Typically it's just like the Japanese candles, few changes between them that are barely spotted. Also there is the Fibonacci, which doesn't have a wick in one of the areas. Also there is the line chart, as you can see here guys, that's the line chart. And if you want to know the difference between the line chart and the candles chart, I'm gonna see here an example. I'm gonna put a line below the and another line in this area. So the difference between a line chart and a candlestick chart is this area. It doesn't exist in the the line chart. So I'm gonna put this here. So we're moving to the line chart. See, nothing exists in this area. That's the line chart. Now we're going to move to the error chart, which is basically the same as the line chart. There is the baseline. It shows you can control this, as it shows you the selling area and the buying area. Also there is the Wrinkle chart, which is like triangles. There is the line break chart, and the Kaji as this. Also there is the point and figure, which is basically just X and O's to form a chart. This kind of charts didn't get used well by traders. There is the range chart finally, and what I'm gonna tell you as a recap, that the candle chart and the line chart are the most used charts. That being said guys, see you on another video. Thanks for watching.